Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Single Line Code. So today I'll be talking about count distinct or distinct count, whatever you say. So it to count a certain column or a field, or to count a distinct value of a certain column or a field, you can do it in two ways. And I'll explain you how to do that in two ways. So here is a table which has different products. Now I need to check how many such product IDs or products available in this table, and that too it should be distinct. It should not be duplicate, right? So let's jump in. What I will do is I'll quickly create a measure, new measure. I'll show you two ways how to do this problem. Once the measure is up, yeah. So I'll put count of total products, and this does not include duplicates, guys. Okay, so first method or first way is to use count rows. Count rows. So what does count rows take input? Count rows take input as a table, and it counts the number of rows in a table. Okay, so now I have used count rows. Now what I will do is count rows parenthesis is distinct, and since I want the product count which is distinct and does not include duplicates, so I'll use product lookup table and use product ID. I'll close the parenthesis. I'll close the parenthesis and I'll figure the response. Now how do I figure the response? I'll just drag and drop to my table, and you can see that number of distinct product ID is 87. Similarly, count of total product, do a if I insert it in a card, I'll also be able to see the number 87, 87, right? So the other way to do this is I removed everything, the formulas. You can use direct formula, which is one of the shortcut, distinct count, and use product lookup table and product ID and hit enter. Once you hit enter, you'll see the same output, right? So that's all, guys.